then maybe they can, you know, grab onto you. But yeah, it's all about these feet. And like at the end when he came in and hit that lure, I mean, there's no way that I could, you know, unless you came out and active hunt with me, ever be able to actually see how fast they go. I mean, when they're coming in and they're hitting these, think of, most people know what mallards are. You guys all know what a Drake mallard is? Greenheads, golf courses and stuff. I mean, that's a big duck, and they got a lot of fat and meat on them. And when those things take off, this guy will come in and he'll start pumping, and teardrop. And he'll come in and just bam, and just headshot. I've actually had ducks just stiff, just land on the ground, and you're looking at the duck, and the duck looks peaceful. You're like, huh? And then you flip its head over, and its eyes popped out.
Oh, wow.
You know, because he does not want to fight with it like a rooster fight. He doesn't want to take a mallard to the ground, because mallard's going to stand up, and he's going to go, nice hat. I like that. He's going to go in and you know, a duck's going to want to fight back or wing whack them, right? So if he doesn't kill them on impact, they'll fly off, gain height, kind of like that lure coming, boom, and continually hit them. That they just want to like hit him and run, you know, kind of like boxing, hit him and run, and then eventually, of course, he's so accurate that the ducks are, yeah, I mean, he's gotten really good.